Welcome back, everybody. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today I feel like I'm going to hate myself. Ooh, who am I kidding? I already hate myself so much right now. I already had some Everclear in my glass, and as I was in kraken as well. And as I was sipping it, I can feel my liver dying. Anyways, today we're going to make something that I've tried before. It was kind of almost a failed experiment. Well, it is a failed experiment. But there's some people out there that actually like the taste of this. We call it the Nyquil. If you like the taste of Nyquil, this is your selection of Nyquil. Oh, God. Alright. I don't know why I'm doing this to myself, but I'm doing it anyways. First up, we need some ice out of our solo cup that has ice in it. And I can barely get the ice out. Maybe one day I'll have a better representation of where I'm getting all this ice from, but at the moment it's going to be in a solo cup and we'll just go from there. I don't want to do this. Alright, we're just going to get into this. Oh God, alright. 1 ounce of tropical punch vodka. Oh yeah, I forgot to name off what we're doing. Oh, what items we need. This is more of a gag anyways, I guess. Unless somebody really does like the taste of Nyquil, but not my personal favorite. Sorry about that. Let me go back through. I'm sorry. This is, you'll need a blueberry Red Bull. You will also need kraken, cake vodka, tropical punch vodka, which we already poured in, and honey liqueur. Yes, it's a very odd lineup that you wouldn't really put cake into. But you know what? He looked at the cake vodka, he took a sip out of it, and he's like, fuck it, why not? It's an odd one. I'm pretty sure he drank it. So 1 ounce of everything, pretty much. And yeah, we're just gonna continue to make this, being oblivious to everything around me, and God, this is one of those drinks that I'm not entirely sure why I need to show you guys, but I guess just as a failure, show that these do not go together or something. We were trying to find something to make with this blueberry Red Bull. We found something to make with it, but it's just not very good. 1 ounce of honey liqueur. I recommend stirring this with a metal spoon or something. And then it's either a half a can or a whole can of Red Bull Blueberry. I don't know why I do this. I'm gonna hate myself. Oh, I am. I think it's a half can. I poured a little too much in here. It is recommended that you stir this up with a metal spoon because the honey liqueur sits at the bottom, and you want to be able to mix it all in as thoroughly as possible. And this is apparently the Nyquil. Doesn't look like Nyquil, but I'm sure it tastes like Nyquil. I gotta take a sip of it anyways, because that's kind of what I do. Fuck me. Oh yeah! Yep, tastes like Nyquil. It's like drinking it right straight from the bottle. If you really love Nyquil, this is the drink to go for, but not my favorite. Gotta be honest with ya. I'm hoping I'll be able to find something better with this blueberry Red Bull, because, yeah, no. It ain't happening. Oh, God. Oh. No wonder why we couldn't fucking make anything with this blueberry. It tastes like the summer edition. Oh, God. I regret picking that up. I don't know if there's anything I can really do to make this better. Maybe an island punch pucker, but it's already too far gone with the cake vodka in it. I wouldn't recommend it for most people. Again, this is one of those drinks of, if you like to drink Nyquil out of a bottle, this is Nyquil. I don't know why I took another sip of it. Yeah, I don't know. It's really tart, blueberry and cake. I know there's some good flavors with blueberry, maybe some cake, but this one not so much. Would not recommend. Might be better with white rum. Well, no. It's a bit gross. This is a big no for me. I can't do this one. This one is disgusting to me. Thankfully, the next two that I'm doing are going to be a lot better than this one. I regretted fucking trying to do this one. I don't know why I felt the need to share this with you guys and pour the rest of this in, because I'm not finding another drink with this. Yeah. I do have another 2 cans of this. I might try to find a recipe that would work well with it, but at this moment in point, this one's off limits, and yeah, that's the drink. It's not my favorite. This one's probably the least favorite, and I've tested some interesting drinks with some other things that I was disgusted with. Some that I've tried to make with Jameson, or whatever it is. The Irish whiskey. Nope, can't do those. Absinthe is another one. It might be the type of absinthe I have. I have to find probably some other ones. Preferably ones that maybe won't make you go blind. But we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. If you like that, go check out my other videos. We now have a Discord link down in the description. If any of you guys have a drink or shot recipe, leave it down in the comment section below. Give me a like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you all next time.